How to make audio come only from left or right side of headphone in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video and audio to my timeline.
Once upon a time, there was a girl.
Select the audio, open up Inspector panel, and click on Audio tab. Drag the pan value completely to the left if you want to only hear the audio from the left headphone.
Named Mia who had a love for all things creative.
Or drag it to the right if you want to hear the audio from the right headphone.
She had a unique perspective on the world, often seeing beauty in the things that others.
You also have access to this option on the Fairlight page. My audio is in the Audio 1 track. Open up the Mixer panel and in the Pan section, drag this blur square to the left or right based on your needs.
Overlooked. However, her quirkiness often made her feel out of place in her small town.
You also can put the square somewhere between if you want to hear more from the left side and less from the right side.
Despite this, Mia refused to conform to society's standards and instead embraced her uniqueness.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.